Okay, so I was just doing some gardening task and I thought I would show you how to make drainage holes in buckets without a drill. Okay, so here's what I do. So I have a 2-gallon bucket here that I got from the bakery section of my grocery store. And I want to use this as a like a pot for my peppers. So what I do is I flip it over and I get something sharp. I have my pruning scissors here that I got from the dollar store, and I'll poke holes wherever I want the drainage holes to be. So I did 3, and I just press down and kind of twist like this, side to side, until there's a small little hole there. And then I take something like a knife, or usually a scissor, and you want to be wearing gloves for this, just so you don't hurt yourself. But then what I'll do is make a bigger hole. So you already made a small little hole with something sharp. Now you want to hold your bucket steady, shove this scissor or your knife into the little hole, and same thing, rotate, kind of like a pencil sharpener kind of thing, and boom, nice clean hole right there. Oh yeah, let's do this one. Shove it in, twist. Honestly, just twisting it in one direction seems to do the job. It almost acts like a drill, but like a manual one that you're doing it by hand. So boom, another clean hole. I did this with a knife. Seems like that knife didn't do as good of a job, so I'm gonna do this again with the scissor, and there we go. I got 3 nice drainage holes without a drill, and I like to just get the shavings off. So there you go. Now this is ready to put some soil in for my peppers. So I'll show you again on another bucket. This one is a 2.5 gallon I've got. So I'm flipping it over underside, and I think I'll do 3 holes in this one as well. So I get my whatever sharp thing I have. Honestly, I think I can probably just do with this one scissor. So this scissor has 2 sides. I'm gonna use the bigger end, and I'll just pick wherever I'll do the holes. So first I'm gonna go ahead, do a side to side motion to get a smaller puncture hole like that. That's one. I'll do one here, and do one here. Okay, there we go. So I got 3 holes. Then go in, same scissor. Now instead of side to side, I'm gonna do twisting, twist in one direction. That. And then if you see, the scissor has 2 sides. It has, where is that focus? Okay, so it has this side where it's kind of edged, and then it has a flat side, and the direction that it's going in is so that the flat side is scraping. And that will create a sharper edge. So, I'll show you. Put it in, and the flat side is going to be scraping the plastic. Basically like a razor on a pencil sharpener. And you can make this hole as big as you want. The more you turn, the bigger the hole will get. I'm sorry the lighting is terrible, but there we go. Okay. This hole's a tiny bit smaller, so I'm gonna go a little deeper. So that's 3 holes. And I'm gonna take the shavings off from this side. I mean, this probably really doesn't matter, but this is gonna annoy me, so sometimes I'll go in on the other side and get the remaining shavings out. Yeah, there we go. So that's how to make drainage holes in a bucket without a drill. Happy gardening! Here is the bucket with my pepper transplant. And I just put some dry grass clippings from the lawn. Just going to give it a water.